Welcome. If you're looking to remove a website link from your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. Now, from the drop-down, select the page where you want to delete the website. This will take you directly to your page's main view. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. You'll usually find this in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on About to access your page's details. Scroll down until you find the Website field. This is where your website link is currently displayed. Next to the website, you'll see a small edit icon. It looks like a pencil. Click on this edit icon to make changes. A box will pop up, allowing you to update your website information. To remove the website, simply delete the text in the website field so that it's blank. Once you've cleared the field, look for the Save button and click it to confirm your changes. That's it. Your website link has now been removed from your Facebook page. These steps work with the latest Facebook interface, so you don't have to worry about outdated instructions. If you ever want to add a new website, just return to the same section and enter your new link. Keeping your page details up to date helps your audience find the most accurate information about your business or project. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Facebook tips and updates.